chance to win a pair of tickets to Universal Orlando Resort, where you're gonna enjoy two amazing theme parks, Universal Studios Florida and Universal Islands of Adventure. From high-speed coasters to a superhero battle with you right in the middle. Listen to Axel Lowe all next week for your chance to win a pair of tickets to Universal Studios Florida and Universal Islands of Adventure.